In the heart of sleepy Maplewood Lane lay a sprawling, old oak tree, its branches stretching like beckoning arms towards the bright blue sky. Underneath, the patches of grass bore the brunt of countless little feet. This was the kingdom of 8-year-old Mia and her band of relentless adventurers. One sunny afternoon, as the sun played peek-a-boo with the clouds, Mia, her younger brother Sam, and their friends Ellie and Jack were gathered around their beloved oak, planning their next grand escapade. "Let's build a fortress," exclaimed Sam, his eyes glinting with the thrill of an EU adventure. With the enthusiasm only children possess, they gathered materials, old cardboard boxes, discarded blankets, and even some colorful sheets they pilfered from Mia's house with her mom's amused permission. The adults nearby watched as the children's laughter and chatter filled the air, a pleasant melody of innocence and joy. As the fortress began to take shape, so did their imagined world. Mia declared herself the queen of the land of Everspring, with Sam as the noble knight, Ellie the wise wizard, and Jack the cunning ranger. They fought imaginary dragons, dealt ith cunning trolls, and even unearthed hidden treasures, all within the bounds of their makeshift cardboard walls. Hours passed without a care, until the gentle voice of Mia's mom called them back to reality. "Time for snacks, little adventurers." Groans of reluctance quickly turned into races towards the house, where cookies and cold milk awaited. As the kids munched happily, their fortress slightly sagged, bearing the marks of a day well spent. In Maplewood Lane, the oak tree continued to whisper stories, watching over the realm of children being beautifully, wonderfully, kids.